Hi, everyone. Can people hear me? Hi, everyone. Can someone let me know in the chat if people can hear me? Because I'm speaking. Thanks, everyone, for joining. There are 20 of us currently in the room. It's actually amazing. It's my first ever live, and I am beyond excited to speak to you. Oh, I'm audible. Cool. Yes, we can hear you. Hello. Yes, audible. We can hear you. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello, everyone. It's amazing. I'm so happy to be here. Hello. Hi, Carlos, Dan, Kuldeep, Mashifkor, Metabolic, Sebi, Abdullah, Francesco, Seb, Candy Floss, Hossam, Robbie. Hi, everyone. Really amazing to see you here live. Really, today I'd like to, well, first of all, thank you guys for being here and for staying on this channel for a long time with me now. The prime reason why I wanted to do this live today is to kind of celebrate. Well, actually, I have two reasons. So, first of all, I'd like to celebrate the fact that there are 10,000 people on this channel now, which is amazing. It is way beyond my expectations of when I was setting this channel up. I had no idea this is how it's going to unfold. So, it is a very nice surprise, and I'm so happy to see people here. Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Sergey. Hi, Francesco again. Hi, Uruk. Hi, or Mattia. Hi, Touchcorn. Francisco, Dan, Robin, Mayank. Sorry. Yeah. Hi, everyone. So that's one thing. I'd like to thank everyone for being here. The second thing that I'd like to announce today is very, very exciting for me, and I hope it is for everyone as well. So I decided to launch a Discord server. Woo! I hope everyone is as excited as I am about it. Many people asked me about launching a Discord server in the past, or Facebook group, so that people can kind of talk, like meet each other, and like have a nice space for. Yeah, I can see people are excited about it. Discord. Yeah, I know it's super exciting. Yeah, people wanted to have a space for talking about data, for getting to know each other, for asking people for advice, for basically a little community outside of YouTube, because I can imagine that it's quite difficult to kind of get to know each other in the comments, and it's not exactly a nice environment for talking. Comments are more like static. It's not a very dynamic environment to talk. So I'm super excited to launch Discord server so that we can basically chat, like just chat every day. Okay, so I have a link to the newly formed Discord channel, and I'm going to paste it in the chat. Hope you can still hear me and see me. Cool. I'm trying to pin this message. Pin message. Okay, so if everyone can now head to that Discord server and basically join it. I can see people saying congrats on 10K. Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you for being here. I mean, you're forming this community and you're one of those 10,000 people. So, I mean, thank you. Greetings from Mexico. Yeah, greetings from London. That's where I am currently. Hola, cześć, hello, hi. Yeah, yay, cool. So now if everyone could head to the Discord server. Awesome, I can see plenty of people joining. See, there is a special channel I created for introductions. So if everyone could like write a couple of sentences, who you are, where are you from, what kind of data you're interested in, whether it's data science or data engineering, or like whether you're a beginner or whether you're more advanced, like what do you do, what do you like, and yeah, let's introduce ourselves. I'll kick off. I mean, you can start typing, but I'll type something as well. So yeah, let's do it live now. That's exciting. Okay. So, hello. For anyone who's just joined, please head to the Discord server, sign up there, go to the introductions channel, and write a little introduction. Cool. Greetings from India. Hi, greetings from London. Okay, I can see some questions in the chat, so I'll just read them. I'm planning to do masters in economics, and from there I want to come into data science. Yeah, that's a perfectly valid route. I know some people who did that. I did my bachelor degree in economics, and then I transitioned into, well, let's say data science, data space. So yeah, perfectly valid route. When I realized you make such videos, I subscribed. Yay! Great to see you here. Career advice. Yeah, I mean, I just created that channel in case people want to ask questions like, oh, where can I look for internships, or like, I don't know, what should I put in my CV? It's the right channel for such questions. Career advice. What else? Cześć. Marta Sowińska. Hey, it's asking DOB. What's DOB? I'm a noob. I don't know what DOB means. Greetings from India. Okay, I've already seen that. Hello, hi, my congratulations. Did you become rich from Dogecoin? Greetings from Germany. Okay, this is actually this is a story that you will not believe if I tell you, but I will tell you anyway. So I don't know how many of you have seen this video that I posted a week ago or two, where I talked about how I invested in Dogecoin 3 years ago. I basically bought a couple hundred Dogecoins, and then I kind of earned extra 100 or 200 Dogecoins. And I basically just forgot that I have them. It's all on my like old laptop. I forgot that I have any kind of wallet, and it's basically just sitting in my wardrobe for like 3 years, right? And then I go on a picnic with my friends a couple of weeks ago, and one of my friends, Stefan, hi, if you're there, says that the Dogecoin has gone absolutely crazy and the price has just skyrocketed. And I'm like, what? I've got some Dogecoins. So I checked the chart and it really did skyrocket. And I was like, whoa, I'm going to be rich now. So I pulled out the old laptop from my wardrobe. It was like covered in dust, even in rust. It was basically just decomposing. But somehow I managed to start it up. I managed to open my wallet on that laptop, and I realized that it is synchronizing with the network, and it's behind 3 years, which basically means that it had to download 3 years worth of transactions of the whole blockchain to be able to synchronize with the network, so that I can send my coins to an exchange so that I can sell them and make money. I was like, wow, great. Now I'm going to wait like a month to sell those Dogecoins. But that's not the end of the story. Unfortunately, the story doesn't end here. So apparently Dogecoin doubled in value again yesterday. So now it's worth even more. And unfortunately, it turns out that I encrypted my wallet 3 years ago with a password that I don't remember. Yeah, that's the story of me investing in Dogecoin. If you know how to break the password, if you know how to brute force it, or if you specialize in stuff like that, you can help me out. We can share the profit. Please. Okay, coming back to the chat. Screams like a fangirl. I don't know what fangirls do, and I don't know who fangirls are. I'm sorry. If I am one and I'm not aware that I am, then I guess that's fine. Hey, greetings from India. Okay, I've seen that. Did you become rich? No. Maybe someone will help me. Thoughts on ML ops? No, I don't have any thoughts on ML ops. It's an area. It's operations. It's working kind of on the infrastructure side of things. So it depends on what you like and what you don't. So like, I don't know how much you know about developing in the actual proper developing environment, like having Azure and having like continuous integration and all that. But these things, they don't get set up by themselves. Like, there are people who actually maintain those infrastructures, those pipelines of like builds and that kind of stuff, and that's DevOps. And ML ops is like combining DevOps and ML, which is basically doing that for machine learning projects. Yeah. Hello, Carolina. Greetings from Munich. Hello. Sorry, there's so many messages, I can't keep up. What is Discord? So Discord is a program where you can chat with people, and also it's heavily used in gaming. You can stream your games, and yeah, it's like a chat that you install on your desktop. It's quite popular now, so hopefully many of you are acquainted and can join the link that I pinned in the chat. Dogecoin update. Yeah. What do you think about CS, computer science? What do I think about CS? I mean, I don't know. It's a science of computers, I guess. It's cool. I like it. DOB stands for date of birth. Oh, okay. And what was the question again? Sorry, I forgot now. LOL. Stop spamming, please. Okay. Who's spamming? You're not spamming. He just like pressed enter twice. It's okay. Date of birth. OMG. Wow, rip. Yeah, I know. So sad. Dogecoin went to the moon and got lost there, it seems. Yeah, it's among the stars now. Well, not saying that moon is a star. I'm more educated than that. Congrats from Colombia. Thank you. I love your accent. Thank you. Is cloud replacing on-premise HDFS? Yes. I mean, where I work, yes. I don't know if that's a trend everywhere, but it is a trend in many places for sure. Hi, Carolina. Whoa. Sorry, something happened to my chat. Sorry, I need to scroll down. Hi, Carolina. Would you say it's harder to go from data analyst to data engineer versus data analyst to data scientist? Do I understand the question? Would you say it's harder to go from data analyst to data engineer versus data? I think it's definitely harder to go from data analyst to data engineer. And it's because data engineering is engineering. It means it's a different discipline than, analyzing data. Like data science, data analytics, it's definitely much closer to each other. Like analytics, science, you kind of research the data, you come up with models, you try to kind of draw some insights from the data. that's definitely different from data engineering, which is about software engineering, really. But what you engineer is databases, like infrastructure for data. But yeah, definitely a definite line, definite distinction between data analytics, data science, and data engineering. Tips on getting into data engineering. Oh, I have a whole video about it. So it's a topic that I could discuss at length, and probably I'd get lost and I'd lose you as well. Tips on getting, well, yeah, I'd suggest going through some tutorials on Python and SQL and databases, and then doing some projects and having a portfolio on GitHub, and then applying for jobs and basically looking at job specifications, like looking at openings, looking at what employers actually ask you to have, to do, to know. And in this way, you'll be able to adjust your knowledge to the requirements of employers in your area. So that's my tip. Today, I will take my second interview for data engineer, and I am very excited. Thank you for your content, because I have been learning so much with you. That's great. I'm actually so happy. I mean, the fact that I can help someone and that it is helpful and that you guys are kind of getting interviews and moving forward in life is so rewarding. So super happy. Witaj, kuzynko. Hi, Robert. Robiceka is my cousin. Is that how you pronounce Dogecoin? I always pronounced it the same way as dog. So I checked the pronunciation, because I am a pronunciation, well, I don't want to say purist, because my pronunciation is far from pure, but I always check. I'm always curious about the language and linguistics. So yeah, I checked it. And apparently people do pronounce it Dogecoin. I don't know if that's the only pronunciation, though. That's the one that I found back then, and I accepted it as the right one. Hi from Morocco. Hi. Oh, whoa, so many messages. I just ran and I'm all wet because it's raining here. I'm sorry. You didn't throw your Dogecoins in the trash. No, I didn't. I basically kept them in the trash the whole time, kind of. Elon Musk will be on TV this Saturday and Dogecoin will go up to the moon. Well, too bad. Can someone help me crack my passphrase? Pozdrowienia z Kielc. Pozdrowienia z Londynu, which means greetings from London in Polish. Hello. Are you planning to do more ETL pipeline videos? I might do some. I was actually planning to do some data visualization videos, because that's what I've been up to recently. But pipelines might do. I mean, is there anything in particular that you'd like to see? Or maybe it's a question that is, hard to answer, because if you don't know what's there, you don't know what you want to see. So I'll try to think of something that I haven't shown yet that you might be willing to see in terms of pipelines. So yeah, good shout. Carolina, I guess you have to start your proposal on the Dogecoin begging subreddit. Yeah. I laughed at these people and now I'm gonna join them. Well, hello. Is that a gas heater behind you? Yes, it is a gas heater. It gives me a little bit of anxiety every time I look at it, like now, because you've drawn my attention to it. I think, oh my God, is it going to explode? Am I going to die? But nothing like that happened so far. If it does in the future, I had a premonition. Can you tell about your experience with Imperial College London? Yes, I'm glad I did it. Well, for those of you who don't know, Imperial College London is a university in the UK, and it's quite good for tech subjects. So I knew where to go. But anyway, my experience was such that I'm glad I did it, but I hated it when I was doing it. because it was so hard for me. I was basically crying, and yeah, it was bad. It was a bad experience, but it resulted in many positive things, like employers just loving me, basically just loving me. So yeah, it's worth it, but it's hard. New money. Thanks. I mean, are you sending me some? Then I'm accepting. Congrats on 10K subscribers. Yay, thank you. I use Discord quite a bit, both for work, studies, and to chat with game devs and electronic music producers. Glad to have a way to keep up with your community there. I know. Some people suggested Discord to me before, and yeah, I used it on a couple of occasions before, and I think it's a good platform. So if you haven't yet, if you've just joined to this live stream, if you don't know what I'm talking about, announcement, I've launched a Discord server for our community. So use the link that I pinned on top of the chat, head there, introduce yourself in the introduction channel, and yeah, be a part of the community. Okay, coming back to the chat. Hi, Ro. DOB stands for date of birth. Okay, yeah. I'm a noob. I don't know such things. I mean, now I know. Carolina, why are you? What did inspire you to make your first YouTube video? What inspired me to make my first YouTube video? I always enjoyed talking in front of camera, and yeah, that's just my personality, I guess. I wanted to do something like this, and since I work with data, I thought combining the two, combining the knowledge I have, like the very little knowledge I have in data or about data, with my affinity for cameras and acting and performances and lives, and yeah, basically just content creation. I thought I'll create a channel, I guess. So that was it. You rock. Oh, thank you. Are you familiar with Isabel? Is it useful outside of academia? No, I'm sorry, I don't know what Isabel is. Imperial versus UCL versus KCL, which is the best place for data science? For data science, to be honest, I'm not too sure. These three are pretty good unis in general. Imperial is great for technical subjects in particular. So, like, software engineering, anything heavier, data engineering, things like that. Imperial is great. Data science, I'm not too sure. I mean, you can't go wrong with Imperial, basically. But I can't say whether UCL or KCL are good or bad. They're probably just all good. Resources to learn and practice data engineering. Right. So I have a couple of courses that I found on Coursera that I think are good. I have some links, but I don't want to spam the chat here. So maybe I'll create a separate video and I'll just show the links, show the courses, and just show other resources that I think are good for practicing data engineering. Hi, Carolina. Really like your channel. Greetings from Brazilian, Argentinian economist Felipe. Greetings from me. Do we need maths for ML? Yes. Unless you are doing some sort of ML ops or ML. Well, if you're doing engineering side of things only, then you don't need maths. But if you want to build models, if you want to build predictions, then absolutely you do need to know maths. Maths is the very basis for machine learning, data science, for building models. So yes, I work in an on-premise and air-gapped environment. Will employers be put off by this, do you think? On-premise and air-gapped? I'm not sure what you mean by air-gapped. On-premise is fine. I mean, if you have some experience with Hadoop or some other on-prem stuff, it's all good. I mean, as long as you have some experience in data engineering, it's always good. You might want to upskill in some cloud technologies if you're looking to, apply for jobs that will be using cloud. But in general, the fact that you've got some experience is fantastic, and it doesn't have to be exactly, cloud or exactly this or that. Experience matters in general. My teachers say it is easy to get into data analyst through commerce field, but I'm aiming for data scientist and wanted tips so I can begin studying in advance regarding this. Oh, I'm sorry. There's so many messages. I can't keep up, honestly. I don't know where I was. Okay, I'll take a quick break from the chat because I got lost. And let's see the introductions on Discord. I can see a lot of people posting their introductions there. Kurt, hi Kurt, Kurt from Florida. Hi Heavens, a commerce student. Hi Mushfikur. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. From Bangladesh, moving to the UK. Hi Julio Alfonso from Colombia. Hi Alejandro Figuera from Colombia. Hi Francesco from Switzerland. Hi Sebi from Mumbai. Hi Francisco from California. Hi Sergio, big Sergio. Hi Mayank from India. And Ang. And hi Tat. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your names wrong, by the way. Hi Tacha Korn from Bangkok, Thailand. And hi Felipe. And hi Jose. And who else is here? Hi guys. Hi peeps. Learning hi. Hey, my name is Angel. Hi. Hi from Brazil. Hello everyone. Hi all. Harshit here from Mumbai. Hi. Awesome. By the way, I think one of the best places for us to chat afterwards, after this stream is over, I think it will be good to kind of just like, be in the general channel, because it's just, general. It's good for a general chat. So um, I am just posting a little smiley in the general, and also I was supposed to write an introduction in the introduction channel, so let me just quickly do it. So hello, I'm Carolina. You may know me from the YouTube channel. I'm so happy to launch the Data Appreciation Society, because that's how I called the server, as you've probably noticed. Cool. Oh, someone's saying, I'm watching your channel from 16-inch Mac video. Wow, that's a long time. It's one of my very first videos. So thanks for being here for such a long time. Cool. That's my introduction. And other people's posting. Hi from Lincoln, UK. Hi from Guatemala. Hi, it's James from South Africa. And hello from Cuba. Oh no, you Cuba. Sorry, I thought you were from Cuba, but your name is Cuba. Got it the second time. Okay, coming back to the chat now. Sorry that I'm like alternating between the two, but I just want to make sure that I'm capturing everything. Actually, before I do, I have a question for you. I have a quiz for you. Guess what I'm drinking? What kind of drink is this? So yeah, you can post your guesses. Oh, if you haven't seen, again, that's the drink. Obviously, it's a celebratory drink. It's just water, right? Okay, where were we with the chat? So, just scrolling down. Do we need to study maths before ML? Yes. how close work data engineering and data science teams. I think the question is, how close do the teams work together? Very closely. It depends on the organization. It depends on the specific team, but very frequently data engineering and data science teams are very closely aligned, because when you think about it, when you're a data scientist and you want to do your job, you need data sets, and you are not going to be the person who goes out and brings the data. That's data engineer's job. So the collaboration between the two teams must be very close, because data scientists need to tell data engineers that, hey, we need this new data set, or this data is broken, or whatever. Sorry. And then data engineers basically fix the problem, or onboard new data, build data pipelines. So absolutely, the collaboration between the two teams is very close. Thank you for detailed answer. No worries. Do we need to study maths before ML? Yes. How common easy is it to go from a software engineer to data engineer career, and data engineer to software engineer? Very easy. I'd say data engineering and software engineering are pretty much the same. As in, software engineering is like this big umbrella term, and there are many software engineering. There are many types of software engineers. So you can be a front-end software engineer building, UIs. You can be an app developer building, mobile apps. You can be a data engineer, building data pipelines. But all of these types of people are software engineers. So software engineering is like this umbrella term, and everything is under it. And then when you think about data science, that's a separate thing. Data science is not engineering. It's not under this umbrella, because data science is more about research. It's more about analyzing the data. It's not about engineering the solutions. So that's the answer. Please do more of these live sessions. I'm enjoying this. I will. I don't want to overwhelm people with live sessions. Like, I don't want to do it like every week, but I love it. I actually enjoy this now. I'm a weird person, probably. Where are we? What do you think about conserving data integrity, quantum computers, and the dark web? Oh my God, so many distinct areas. How do I answer? Data integrity, conserving it. Yes, it's bloody important. Cheers to that. I'm sorry if I just touched the mic. Data integrity is the primary thing you have to worry about when you do data engineering. You have to make sure that data is sound, as in the data is correct. If it's not correct, then your models or data scientists' models are just going to be bollocks. So it's so important. That's why you do all those checks and validation, and checking there are no duplicates, checking that there are no missing values. Like, everything you do as a data engineer is checking data integrity. Very important. Quantum computers. Unfortunately, I don't know much about quantum computing. I wish I knew more. I had an intern at work who was so into quantum computing, and he kind of explained some bits to me. I was his buddy, so that was our buddy sessions, buddy catch-ups. He was basically explaining quantum computing to me, but unfortunately, I don't remember much of what he told me. I'm sorry. So no, I don't. I don't think much about it. I don't think at all about it. And the dark web. Ooh. So many years ago, probably even before I bought Dogecoin, or maybe around that time, I installed Torch. The browser. Is it called Torch? The browser for searching the dark web, and it was awesome. I mean, I felt like a little criminal. I mean, I didn't do any criminal things, but I felt like I'm, discovering some mysteries, some some stuff like Sherlock Holmes or something. I don't know. It was good. It was good. It was good. But then I came across all the eyebrow raising stuff, like buying fake IDs and buying weapons and buying weed, and I was like, okay, I'm out of here before someone hacks me and steals my ID somehow. Um, Where are we in the chat? I'm lost again. I am a new data engineer intern. What would you advise me? Stay open-minded, ask many questions. You'll be fine. I just finished my associates in web design and will be starting my bachelor's in digital media software engineering in the fall. I agree that this content helps so much to get me through this journey. Yay! I'm so happy to hear. Another hey from Brazil. Hey, please start data engineering course playlist. I do have a data engineering playlist. I do. I mean, is that, what do you mean? A new one? I might come up with a new one, maybe one day. Well, a background in maths is very much required. Yes. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, hi. Yeah, I actually know Taha from Instagram. He's got an art account and he posts nice stuff there. So hi, thanks for joining. Cool data visualization. Yeah. So recently at work, I've been working on some data visualization in Python Dash. I don't know if you've heard of Python Dash, but it's basically a library that allows you to visualize data in Python and create a nice UI in Python. And it's cool because what it allows you to do is to code in HTML and basically create HTML elements and like style it in CSS and everything, but using Python. Sorry. So that's pretty good, and it's used quite widely in my circles at least. So I might make a video about it. Depends on whether you want to see it. Tell me. Go Brazil! Thanks for the videos. No worries. Do you have any idea about data engineering on the Microsoft Azure? I do have an idea. So I do that at work sometimes. I mean, we have Azure, we have data engineering. Sorry, you meant DP203. Is that a course or? Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. I'm learning SQL currently and already Power BI. I am 29 years old, but I'm thinking on study an engineering degree, but I'm not sure if it's late. No, I will say it's never too late to switch careers, to start something new, to start something you like, enjoy, and something that pays well. It's never too late. So go for it. Which companies are the leading companies data engineers want to get into? Well, I'd suppose the tech giants really are probably the most sought after and they pay the most. So, FANG like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Yeah, so those companies, especially in Silicon Valley in the US, they pay the most for engineers and data engineers as well. So that, and yeah, I don't think there are any specific data engineering companies. Data engineering is always a sort of support function. Well, not always. There are companies where data engineering is the main product, especially consultancies. But in many cases, data engineering is more like a infrastructure function. So if you want to if you want to be at the forefront of data engineering, then probably tech companies are your best bet. Where are we in the chat? So something with Kibana, please. I'll see. Is PySpark worth learning, or should I learn Spark with Scala? PySpark is worth learning, and I have seen people use it, but it's hard to say, which one is better. Have you ever done ETL pipelines for data visualization with Power BI data flows? No, I've never used Power BI. Uh, I had the same anxiety with gas heater in our old department. Yes, I mean, look at them. They look scary. It looks like it's gonna explode, doesn't it? I look at it and I'm like, God, poor softbox. It's going to die first. That's my softbox, the black thing. It's a lighting for my YouTube videos. Cool. One philosophical question. Do you think that every fear in a way do you think that every fear in a way the fear of death wait, I can't understand. Do you think that every fear in a way I can't understand the question. Do you think that every fear in a way the fear of death? I think the question is lacking a verb, or I'm just being drunk. Sorry, could you type it again? I'm sorry. Have you replaced your fire alarm battery? Indeed. As you can see, or as you can hear, there is no beeping. I have. So, sorry, I don't know if you've noticed, but for many, many months, I had a fire alarm battery running out, and it was beeping in all my videos because I couldn't bother to replace the batteries. Sorry. I am a new data engineer intern. What would you advise me? Okay, I've already talked about it. Is there a data storyteller position? I would say it's more of a data scientist's job to tell stories with data. Pozdrowienia z Southampton University, which means greetings from Southampton. Greetings. I do agree with you. Okay, that's not for me. Unis in Europe versus US for data engineering. Well, depends. There are some great unis in Europe and there are some great unis in the US. What I would suggest is looking at uni ranks and basically seeing how those universities rank against each other, and also make sure to select the filter showing, only computer science faculty, because one uni might be great in terms of art and humanities, but it's irrelevant for you. So when you check those rankings, make sure you only check in terms of technology department. Not here to ask a question, just waving hi to you from Canterbury. Hi. What do you say? Oh, sorry. Again, chat is playing up. Wow, these questions must be old because I can see so many. I can now see people guessing the drink, and I'm not even there. Oh my god, when when am I gonna get to those answers? I will, I promise. Sorry, I'm just getting slightly lost. Best certification. I'll make a video about it. It's a good question. Are you a gamer? Part-time gamer sometimes, with my friends. I don't really play by myself though. Greetings from Hungary. Greetings. How time you use to create a new video? How much time, you mean? How much time it takes me to create a video? About 20 hours. It's a long, long time. Making a live is so much easier. I need to start doing that. It's basically you show up and you talk. Whereas making a video is like coming up with the script and then recording yourself and then editing. And it's a long process. And then you have to make a thumbnail, and then you have to upload it to YouTube and make description and add tags and come up with good keywords, and it's a laborious process. And talking in front of camera like this, perfect. It's my preferred format now. May the force be with me. Thank you very much. May the force be with you as well. Nice to see me. Nice to see you. Thank you for the great content you're posting. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Yo, Carolina, do we have a book club and a music club on Discord? I saw a literature channel, but it is a book club. Is it a book club? Yeah, so idea was that we can use the literature channel for book discussions. Like, yeah, we can make it a book club. We can talk about, we can also post our own poems or our own short novels or novels if that's what you write. We can basically exchange ideas, talk about, different, we can talk about books. We can also talk about our own poetry, own prose. So that's what Literature Channel is for. I think there's a smoke coming out of your gas heater. No, it isn't. Stop this. Angelica is sending a heart. Hi, Angelica. Creating a database to a data warehouse. Is it considered as a data engineering job? I think so. Yeah. Use a resource channel in Discord. Oh, actually, that's a great idea. Yeah, I can actually set up a resource channel in Discord and I can post all the links to all the interesting resources there instead of making a video, which like I've just explained is a very laborious process. So, I mean, I do want to, carry on making videos. I'm joking. I actually enjoy doing it. But yeah, I can make a channel and I can post some links there. We'll do that. Greetings from Kaliningrad. Greetings. Is 8 p.m. too late for coffee? Thinking of making a cup. It is too late for coffee. As you know, I don't drink coffee after 4 p.m., 3 p.m., but I've got a drink, a drink of a different kind. I can't wait to see your guesses. I haven't got to them yet. These are the best times, wishing you the best and wishing you the best as well. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. You've just rejected the big data engineering job. You hope you don't regret. I mean, depending on what you want to do in life, if you don't want to be a data engineer, then it's good that you've rejected, right? Hi from Baltimore. Hi. Hi, Carolina. You gave me advice on Instagram. Now I'm going to Imperial. Thank you so much. Love your channel. I love you. I love the fact that, I could give someone advice. Okay, I overreacted. I didn't mean I'm happy to see you here, but I don't want to, overreact. Hi, Pablo from Guatemala. Hi. Have you done any MLDL projects? Yes, I have. Greetings from Pakistan. Greetings. Hello from India. Okay. Hello. Someone got a new job. Congrats, Edgar. Someone's from Egypt. Hi, Mohammed. Congrats on 10K. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of 10K. She's going to be a star. I mean, sure. Hi from Mexico. Hi. Gin and tonic, someone said. And that was somebody's first guess. Well, was it so obvious? Was it so obvious? Lemon? Yes, I'm drinking lemon. It's just lemon. It's lemon on air. Lemon water. Yes, it is exactly that. We don't want YouTube to take down my life after it's finished or during the live. So it is lemon water. It's totally lemon water. We don't drink alcohol here. Some kind of lemonade. Definitely, it's a lemon lemonade. Lemon with lukewarm water. That's my favorite, but not today. Hello, mojito. Not a mojito. I don't have mint. I think mojito has mint, right? Lemonade or just lemon water, lemon vodka. You good. You guys are good. I thought it's gonna be a challenge, but then again, why? Why did I think it's gonna be a challenge? It bloody looks like gin and tonic, which it isn't. Do we need to have SQL for landing ML jobs? Useful, yes. Why not do coconut water and lemon? I have coconut water. I have lemon. Next time. Thank you for being an inspiration to keep my channel going. Seeing how your channel has grown keeps me motivated. I'm very happy that I can keep you motivated. I'm happy that your channel is growing as well. And your Instagram, because I'm replying to Francisco now, your Instagram account is booming. It's huge. I don't know if you guys know Francisco's Instagram. Instagram, but he has a very nice community there. So I will post the handle on Discord. How many languages do you speak, and how often do you use them? I speak two languages. I speak Polish and I speak English, and I speak English on everyday basis now because I live in the UK and I work in the UK, so I use English. I speak Polish with my family and some of my friends, and I speak English with the other half of my friends. So yeah, where are we? Got lost. Lemon water, vodka martini. How CI/CD practice add data pipeline? Which tool do I prefer? I don't prefer any of the two. I'm sorry. Are these tools enough to get job? Apache, Spark, Hadoop, Kafka, Hive, NoSQL, HBase, and SQL. Yes, I mean, it would be good to know some Python as well or some object-oriented language on top of that, but you're getting there. Hello, Danzel. Are you Polska and do you know Polka? Asking for a friend called Paulka. Yes, I am Polish. I am coming out here. I thought it's kind of obvious. I love you. Thank you. Scotch, not today. Someone else loves me. No, same person loves me twice. I am a video editor. I want to work with you. Number. Thank you. I edit my own videos, but thanks. Oh, you said you were getting surgery. What did you get done? Nothing. I cancelled it. I wanted to do my nose because I'm not a great fan of it, but I wasn't a great fan of it. But now, I'm kind of it's growing on me. It's a saying. It's not literally growing. It means I'm getting used to it. For those of you who didn't know the expression, I didn't know the expression at one point. I learned it recently. Yeah, it's kind of sharp, but I got used to it. Sorry, that's boring. Um, I think you've had a few sips, too many already. No. I've just started. I'm a very bubbly person. Sometimes only in front of camera. I'm an introvert in real life and extrovert in front of camera. That's a weird mixture, but that's who I am. Someone loves how enthusiastic I am. Thank you. Do you like pierogi? Of course, I like pierogi. Who doesn't like pierogi? So pierogi is a traditional Polish dish, and it's amazing. I can post a picture on the Discord channel if someone doesn't know pierogi. It's great. What's my opinion on virtual reality? My opinion is that it is virtual. I heard from some friends, I haven't played any games myself, but I heard from some friends that some games can be absolutely terrifying. Like if you play a horror game on a VR set, it can be absolutely traumatic. So yeah, I don't know. I'm scared to try. Oh, hello, Carolina. Tech Hyman said, great to see the channel growing. Question, is there anything you want to learn, code related or otherwise? And what are you most excited to see advance in your profession? What do I want to learn to code? I want to learn how to build UIs. Well, I know how to build them in Dash now, or at least, I learned a little bit now, Python Dash. But, the world of UIs, the world of building websites and web apps is a big, big world. And there are so many frameworks. There is React, there is got so many. And unfortunately, I'm not a great front-end person, so I don't know, UIs very well, and um, yeah, I don't know how to build UIs very well, and I'd like to learn that, because I think then you can be a full stack person, and you can basically you are able to build interesting products, because not only can you like build an interesting model or like build something useful, but like a useful service, but you can also wrap it in a nice shiny package that people are going to use and love. So good logo and name of the Discord channel. Thank you. So I use this logo since the beginning of this channel. I use it on my channel, and yeah, I like it. I like it too, actually. It's a lion and two, those square brackets. I don't know how they're called. But yeah. Tour days. Those were so interesting indeed. Or it's called Tor. Did I say torch? Anyway, the dark web browser. Hey, Carolina, I really enjoy your content. Starting off my career as a data engineer soon. Is it bad on the long run for my career if my organization uses ETL tools like Informatica? It's probably best for you to learn how to build stuff from scratch and without relying on any tools. But having said that, using tools is, does the job. So it's fine. How much time does it take to learn Python? Because I want to learn it. It's a very hard question. It can take a month, it can take 6 months. It depends on what you mean by learning Python. In my opinion, learning Python is not about learning syntax. It's about learning how to problem solve with Python. And that takes time, and that takes exposure to projects. So yes, you can learn syntax in a week, but can you, solve problems in a week? I don't know. What company do you work for? I can't say. That would depend on your convenience schedule. Okay, sorry, that was not a question. Someone wants to see Python Dash video. I might make it. Someone thanks me for awesome content. Nikita thanks me for awesome content. Thank you. I'm happy that you're enjoying the content. Someone asks me where I was born. I was born in Poland. Someone's leaving the chat. Bye bye. Someone's back. Hello, back. What do I think about self-taught engineers? I think it's great. I mean, it's great. They're great, and it's a great thing to do. I think, paying hundreds of thousands, sometimes dollars or pounds for formal education is a little bit outdated in the world of courses. And okay, I'm a little bit, hypocritical here, because I did pay for a master's degree, but I did it for different reasons. So yes, master's degree or any kind of university degree can give you a nice shiny paper, and it is a signal for employers that you learned something and you're educated, etc. And it does help with getting a job, but it doesn't necessarily teach you much, or it doesn't necessarily teach you what you wouldn't be able to learn elsewhere, like on Coursera or somewhere else. So I think self-taught engineers are great engineers, or can be great engineers. It just depends on your mindset and your approach to learning, and whether you just enjoy it. I've used Python Dash. It's so cool. I felt like I discovered gold when I found it last year. Yes, I feel the same. It's amazing. It's so easy. It's so easy. You write one line or maybe a couple of lines, and you get a UI, and you can click on some buttons, and everything dynamically changes, and you have a beautiful graph, and you can pin your data to display on the graph. It's gold. It's gold. You're correct. What is the difference between big data engineer? Well, none. Big data is a buzzword. So yeah, I mean, it can only indicate that you're going to deal with large data sets. And data engineer might deal with small, medium, large whereas big data kind of implies it's going to be a lot of data. Is there something between project management and data engineering? I love the complexity of data engineering, but I have too bad eye to detail to write code. I feel you. Is there something between project management and data engineering? Yes. So I'd say it's always good when you are in technology in whatever capacity. I think it's always good to know some basics of technology, like learn how to program, how to code, have exposure to, being the developer, like being on that side of the fence. But with time, with experience, you might progress to be a manager or be a project manager or be a product manager or be a scrum master, whoever in the team, a person that is a bit more business oriented, but still understands technology, understands the challenges, and understands what the dev team does. So I think it's very useful to start as a dev and then kind of progress towards more business roles. So that's the bridge, basically being someone who manages stuff. But for that, I think it's useful to know how to code and be in the dev area first. It's not compulsory. Some people go to management first, but many people would agree that best managers have some coding experience, have some dev experience. Hey Carolina, I've applied for conversion masters in CS, part thanks to your video, so thanks. No worries. Do you think that any fear you have is linked to fearing death? Maybe he meant that. Okay. Any fear you have is linked to fearing death. Absolutely. All fears we have are coming from fearing death, I think, ultimately, when you think about it. So, for example, if you have social anxiety and you're kind of afraid of speaking to people, it's because you fear that you'll be unloved, unaccepted, rejected. And you fear that because biologically you've learned that you'll survive if you're accepted by people, if you are loved by your community. So, because you don't want to die, effectively. So, the social anxiety, as an example of a fear, does come from the fear of dying. And I think many, many fears, or all the fears, I'd have to think about it for a little longer, but I think my hypothesis now is that all fears are coming from the fear of dying, because us, human creatures, are programmed to avoid death. That's our goal, basically, just trying to survive. So yeah. Biologically, of course, you might have different goals as a human being with consciousness and soul, or however you see yourself, depending on whether you're religious or whether you're not. And yeah, I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about pure biology. So from the purely biological standpoint, you basically want to survive. Interesting question. Hello, Angel. Glad to go see you thriving. Hello there. What is your worst data job you ever have had? My worst data job. No, I didn't have a bad data job. All data jobs I've had were good. So it's hard to answer this question. Hi, actually, I didn't enjoy the data job that I had in one team that was very kind of low level and working on infrastructure. That was a bit hard. And you had to kind of write a lot of stuff in Linux. And well, that's what data engineers do a lot sometimes, but it's not my most favorite thing to do. Hi, I just subbed you. I want to know what you talk about. Also, I joined your Discord. Is it also themed on data analysis? Hi, Vivek. So, what I talk about? What do I talk about? I talk about data, and I talk about data from many angles. I talk about data engineering, but I also talk about data science. I talk about switching careers to data related careers. I talk about the meaning of life. I sometimes post some artistic videos because that's what my deepest desire is, to kind of, express myself, create stuff. I just enjoy that kind of stuff. So that's a part of my channel as well. I enjoy philosophy, so I talk about philosophy. So yeah, a bunch of stuff, and the Discord channel reflects that. We will be talking about various things, ranging from data, through philosophy to art, to career guidance, and yeah, everything. Data analysis as well. So feel welcome to join. What are the next steps in my career? So I'm currently trying to move towards a more data sciencey role within the firm, because I found that that's what I enjoy more for now. And I'm currently in a more engineering position, but like I said, I want to transition. So that's my next step. If that works out, if it doesn't, then I don't know. Is a software engineering web development background useful for someone interested in a career change to machine learning engineering? Absolutely. Yes. Machine learning engineering is software engineering. So yes. Do you have any alternatives to Airflow? Yes. So you can schedule jobs in Jenkins. You can write cron jobs. And I'm pretty sure there are some other softwares, programs, ways to do it. I'm not an expert, unfortunately, in other areas. How are you? I'm new on the channel, said Monkey Boy Edge. Welcome. I'm glad to see you here. This is a huge jump in your YouTube career. Best of luck. Do you mean this live? I mean, are we making history today? I hope so. Cheers to that. Which is the best book to learn Python data science? I will post some nice resources on Discord, so make sure to join the Discord server. The link is on the top of the chat. Loving the channel, said Oscar. Thank you, Oscar, and I hope that your film is getting along well. Watching you from Mexico. Love your channel. Thank you, and cheers from the UK. Carolina, if you relate to any character of Tim Burton movies, who will it be and why? Okay, so Taha knows that Tim Burton is one of my favorite directors. I love the kind of, the dark and a bit mysterious climate that he creates in his movies, and I think I would be Vincent. I don't know if you've seen the short animation created by Tim Burton. It's a very old animation created before he created the sort of popular movies like, Edward Scissorhand, or like before he created all the popular movies, he created a very short animation called Vincent. It's on YouTube. It's amazing. I love it, and I totally relate to Vincent. Favorite book of all time? It's too hard. I'm sorry. It's a great question, but it's a very hard question. Best way to see your content. Please make new streaming like this. Really enjoyable. Thanks. I'm enjoying this as well, so I might do in the future. Hi, Delphine from Paris. Hi, Jackie Lam. I love your content and the way you express ideas. Thank you. Oh, Patrick says, hey, Kartia. Patrick is my best friend. Hi, Patrick. When did you move to the UK? I moved to the UK over 5 years ago. And yeah, Yeah, basically. What kind of project you advise for a portfolio and find a job as a data engineer? It's a good question. I think it will be good to write some sort of ETL pipeline. I have an example of that on my channel. I might create more in the future, but for now, there is a Spotify ETL course where you can see how to create a data pipeline. It's something that you can definitely try to kind of replicate and post on GitHub. Yeah. How is University of Bath software engineering? So University of Bath is great, and I'm pretty sure it's good for software engineering as well. I actually have someone at work who's coming from Bath, and he's brilliant. My nose is okay. Thank you. I need that kind of external validation that I don't need a nose job. Someone quoted me on "Same person loves me twice." I'm sorry, didn't mean to make it sound this way. How it's like to change career from non-IT to software in late 20s? It's fine. I know people who did that. I constantly see people do it. It's a great, great move. Do it. uh, Thank you for mentioning my Instagram. Oh yeah, Francisco posted his handle to his Instagram account. Go check that out. It's great. Namaste from India. Namaste. Hello from Italy. Advice for starting in data engineering. Yeah, just be open-minded, listen to what people say around you, ask questions, don't be afraid to ask questions. Someone says scary as shit. I don't know what that was, what it refers to, because it was probably like 20 minutes ago. Probably referring to something I said 20 minutes ago, and I can't remember what. It's funny you should say you hate your nose, but I actually love your nose. My ex had that nose, and it's very, very attractive. I mean, maybe I remind you of your ex, and I don't know, that's weird. But I'm glad you don't mind my nose. A favorite book ever? Oh, again, that same question. Is financial engineering a good option for a self-taught machine learning practitioner? Yeah, why not? Why not? What types of data engineering are available in the job market? Jack is asking. SQL, cloud data engineering, etc. Yeah, definitely cloud data engineering. And the rest kind of, well, I'd say it kind of blends into one, but the main distinction I would see or I would notice is that there is either sort of on-prem or cloud. But often one company has both on-prem data and cloud data, so one data engineer might do both. But yeah, I think it's the clearest distinction. Should I invest my time on data structures? Yes, yes. For engineering, absolutely yes. Someone says, actually, noses never stop growing your whole life. That's not very reassuring, but thank you. Yeah, I was aware of that actually. It's not reassuring at all. How do I install a Python module in Airflow? That's too technical for now. I'm sorry. Cool. The best part of the stream is how Carolina gives live commentary of someone said this, someone left the chat, oh, someone came back. I mean, I'm just reading what I'm seeing. I read first, then I process in my brain what's appropriate to say. That's why it's kind of pure. Awesome live stream. Thank you. Hi from Philippines. Hi, Petis. Is Python Dash same as Plotly Dash? I think so. And if it's not, then I am deeply mistaken, for which I am deeply sorry as well. Funny how fast you talk on stream and so slow in videos. I talk slow in videos? I thought I always kind of edit them so that there's literally no pauses between cuts, um, which makes them pretty fast paced in my opinion. But maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Um, what do you think about not having a master's for ML? What do I think about it? I think it's fine. I mean, I think your portfolio is more important and your passion. So employers will appreciate that if you can show them something, not necessarily your master's degree. So hugs from Brazil, hugs from the UK. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Hmm, good question. Um, I don't know. Many. Um, do you have any machine learning project ideas? Plenty. I have a whole video about it. It's called 10 Coding Project Ideas. That's indeed a very interesting way to see fear, someone said, Sebi said. Thank you. Yeah. I think it makes sense biologically, that all our fears are coming from the fear of death. And I think Mattia, who said that earlier, who asked this question, I think he's right. But I don't know. I'd have to think about it a bit more. Adriana saying, I agree with that take that all fears ultimately come from fear of dying, or in other words, from survival need. I'm glad you agree as well. We have more people in the fear of dying team. Do you have any content tips on the modeling for analyses? No, I don't. Sorry. What do you think about the MIT MicroMaster? I haven't checked that out, so I can't comment. Have you done any MLDL project? And please share if yes. Greetings from Pakistan. Yes, I have, and I shared many projects on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share more probably. So stay tuned. And if I don't, then I'm sorry, but there is already something there that you can check out. Important question: did you clean your room? Someone's coming from the Lobster Club. I can see. I did clean my room right before this live stream so that you don't see any kind of, dirty clothes flying around. That'd be a bit embarrassing, don't you think? I think it would. We don't want that. Again, I got lost. Oh my god, I got lost in the chat. Scrolling down, bear with me. Love to see your philosophy in channel. I'm glad that you enjoy that because I enjoy talking about that, and I'll probably make more videos about philosophy in the future. I love it. So I'm glad you love it too. What I think of Airflow, I think it works. I think it's good. Why do you like data science more than data engineering? So I think it's a good question. I think I like data engineering less because it's a little bit more in the background of things, and I enjoy the business side of things. I enjoy, thinking about like businessy decisions, and data science is a bit closer to that. On the other hand, there are pros and cons to both. On the other hand, the data engineering is great because it allows you to build things, create things, and you don't have to deal with ambiguity so much. Whereas with data science, there's so much ambiguity, and you never know whether what you're creating, you're not even creating, you never know whether your models are showing you the truth or whether you just picked, randomly good hyperparameters. So basically, you never know whether you're right or wrong, but you have to kind of deal with it and then convince people that you're right, which is probably the least interesting or like the worst aspect of being a data scientist. Whereas in data engineering, it's a bit more straightforward. But then I think I can deal with that kind of inconvenience. And I think I enjoy that even, maybe to some extent. I don't know. Um, where are we? Which one is best in the future, web development or digital marketing? I'd say digital marketing, but obviously web dev is going strong too. Both, I don't know. Currently transitioning from data analyst to data engineering. Your channel has been super helpful. Thank you. No worries. My pleasure. Any way to keep motivated during this pandemic? Learning while staying at home is hard. Keep motivated. There are some good motivational channels out there on YouTube with some good motivational content. If you'd like me to, I can create some, but it's already there, and I don't want to repeat what other people are saying already. Staying motivated, I guess, set your eyes on the goal and just be clear what you want to achieve, and then when you wake up every day, you don't have to worry, or like you don't have to think about where you're going. You already know where you're going, so you're kind of motivated to get there. One of the useful motivational techniques is visualization, like visualizing the end goal. So let's say you want to become a data engineer, or you want to, I don't know, become an entrepreneur or someone. Then you just visualize your life as a data engineer, or you visualize your life as a business owner, and you kind of immerse yourself in that picture of yourself in the future. And that keeps you motivated because you love it. You love that end goal. You want to be there. So today you feel motivated to do something so that it will get you closer to that end goal. So I think that's a useful technique. Can I become a data engineer with a data science degree? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Although you'd have to learn some engineering, obviously. I always felt like I'm sorry, I need to get a sip of my tonic or my lemon water. Done. I've always felt like I'm incapable of programming, and I had some negative memories because of my teachers. Can you give me some advice? How can I get my confidence? What do you do when you fail? See, programming is like constantly failing. It's a constant failure. That's how I see it. So literally, when you program, when you try to problem solve, when it's your job, right? You never know the solution. You're always in the unknown. You always kind of struggle to solve something. So it's like constant failure. And you can only get better when you start solving those problems. So the only way to kind of learn, or the only way to stay motivated or to become confident, is by sticking to the problem and not ditching the problem. Like, you have to be friends with the problem, even though it's a problem, even though it's hard, even though it gives you anxiety and makes you want to cry. You have to stick with it. If you don't stick with it, you're not going to be a good engineer. You have to be like, I'm going to solve it. And it's a mindset. It's not necessarily, whether you are good enough or whether you're smart enough. It's just about the mindset, about the personality. Anyone can learn how to code. And I think it really boils down to mindset and personality rather than intelligence. What's your approach on stoicism? I love stoicism. I follow I follow many Instagram accounts that display some nice stoic quotes on my homepage. So when I open Instagram, instead of seeing some like fancy models, I see some stoic quotes. I'm a geek. Congratulations for your channel. Is the best of YouTube. Woo! Thank you from Brazil. As in, the person Matthias from Brazil said that, and I thank you from myself. Have you continued to use any model explainability tools? No, so not at work. No, it's not. It's not something we do. So I haven't actually used anything in a while for now. Um, mm, mm, mm. Have you ever had some negative feedback in your environment because you are a female in the field? Fortunately, no. I do sometimes feel just a little bit intimidated because, as you can imagine, I am surrounded by men. Um, so it does feel a little bit like I am kind of the odd one out. But it's not something, it's like no one's mean to me, or no one's criticizing me, or no one's being sexist. I mean, I'm in such an environment that people are very friendly and encouraging, and I've never kind of had to cope with that. And I'm really sorry if anyone has to. And people who are sexist should go and never come back. Yeah, basically. Um, just scrolling the chat. Hello, fan from India. Hello, Krish. Cześć w Polsce from N Spaniard. Not sure what that was supposed to mean, whether you're saying that you're in Poland and you're Spanish in Poland and you're saying hi, or whether you meant that you're Spanish, you live in Spain, and you say hi because I'm Polish. Anyway, hi. Hi there. What about AI sphere, and is it worth to become an AI engineer? Yes, it is worth becoming an AI engineer. It is a bit like, an ML engineer, or yeah. If we were afraid of the snake, we wouldn't be coding with Python. I guess that was a joke. So cheers to a joke. Let's not be afraid of snakes. Oh no, Sebi said, we have a problem in the Discord. You might have to delete some terrible message. Is someone offending me? Oh no. No, no one is offending me. But someone is using the at everyone, which is not a nice thing. And guess what? Guess what I'm gonna do? I am going to ask the person who's posting that to stop. So can you please stop spamming? Because we don't have a moderator there yet. And I don't want spam. So if you could, please. Yeah. Cool. Coming back. So, your opinion, how ML affects us after 3 years? After 3 years? As in, after it hasn't been around for 3 years, it's been around for longer. How it affects us? It affects us in many ways, like it's everywhere, obviously, in many ways. Someone donated €5. Thank you, but where? I didn't wait. I didn't open any sort of donation capability here. Do you mean, have you used Ko-fi? The portal I use for the donations. Is that what you mean? Because I don't know how else you did that. Caro, we need you to mod Discord for a moment. Oh, okay. My attention is directed there again. So you know what? Let me just delete this message for now. And if that continues, if the person who's doing it keeps doing it, that person will not be welcome. But for now, I'm giving the person a second chance. So I'm just deleting that one by one as we are speaking. And it should be fine in a second. Just bear with me. And yeah, please don't do it, people. Please don't say at everyone, because then you're summoning everyone and it's just bad. It's annoying. Everyone gets a notification and we don't want that. Oh no, that person continues. That person doesn't like me, clearly. Have I done something to you? Have I offended you? I hope I didn't. And if I did, let's talk about it privately, my dear friend. Okay. Which company do you work for? I can't say. Please once check my channel, madam. Channel name Python Life. I will check it out. Yeah, people are saying about someone wants to be a mod. Yeah, I will make someone a mod. Actually, okay, I will do it. I will do it, guys. Don't worry. Oh god. Has that person stopped? Is no, oh no, oh no. Okay, okay, I need to make someone a mod. Wait a second. How do I do it? Okay, Sergio. Sergio, do you want to be a mod? As in mod, not mode. Oh god, I'm such a noob. I don't know how to use Discord, so I don't know how to make someone a mod. Okay, I'll sort it out, guys. I'm sorry. Just hold on for a second and I'll clean it up, and that person is going to hell, basically. Yeah, some stupid person hacked the Discord. I know. Oh my god. Okay. I've been thinking of going to an AI engineering bootcamp and called Strive School. What's your opinion on bootcamps in general? And have you heard of Strive before? I haven't. I'm sorry. Is it a must to know the math behind machine learning and deep learning? Yes. Well, you can use the libraries, but you're not going to be a good machine learning engineer. You're going to be like a data scientist, analyst. Okay, people are saying. Okay. I guess we need to attend to Discord. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, guys. Action Discord. Phew. I'm posing the questions for a second. I'll come back to them, but let's sort this out. So how do I ban? I right click them and ban. Okay. Right click and ban. Perfect. I've just banned Jesse. Now I don't know what to do with his messages. Are they gone? Are they just gone? Is it sorted? Is it sorted? Yay! Wow. It took me a while. Sorry, guys. There was a little bit of delay on YouTube, so I couldn't see the messages about him. Okay. Cool. Coming back to the questions. We've sorted the emergency. Yay! Well done, everyone. Bye, Jesse. You might never come back now. Okay. Questions. Do I prefer TensorFlow or PyTorch? It's a hard one. I've kind of used both, but I don't have a favorite. They're both okay. Okay, people talking about Discord. Okay, we got rid of it. Is tofu best fried or cooked? Come on, obviously it's better fried. How can you even cook tofu? I can't imagine cooked tofu. By the way, I'm vegetarian, and for the past month, I've actually been vegan. I've tried being vegan. It's been a journey. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm actually enjoying it. So recommend it. Someone randomly found this channel. I am glad that the luck was on my side then. Are DS algo required to become a data scientist? Yes. Let's hit like button, people. Okay. Oh, okay. As in on the chat. Yes, please. That would be nice. I mean, if you want to. Check the chaos in your Discord server. I've checked it. Where should I start learning data science from? I will make a resource channel with recommendations. Cool. Guys, you're so good at Discord. Thank you so much for like trying to kick that guy out and like flagging him. That was good action on everyone's part. So yeah, team everyone. Team by Jesse. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm catching up with the comments now. Hi from Morocco. Hello from Mexico. Do you like crypto? I I like crypto. I only hold Doge, and I only hold it because I lost. Okay, so it's a story. It's a story I said at the beginning, and I will retell it in case people join later, but I will make it short. Okay, so I bought some Doge 3 years ago. It went up in value like mad. It's so expensive now, and I can't sell it. Why? Why can't I sell it? Because I encrypted my wallet and I lost the password. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. Scrolling down. Where are we? Oh my God, it's been a lot of messages. Oh yeah, Kenneth guy is Spanish and he lives in Warsaw. Cool. I hope you like Warsaw. I like Warsaw. I hope it's treating you well and you're enjoying yourself there. Okay, still talking about Discord. Sorry that I caught up with it so late. Yeah, as I said, there's so many messages on the YouTube chat that I didn't see your latest messages on the bottom about Discord. So I kind of reacted late to that. Okay. What's my favorite technical books? I will make a resource channel, like I mentioned. Should I hold a Doge? I can't give you financial advice. I'm holding because I have to. Okay. Where are we again? Is it possible to become a data engineer without a degree? Yes, definitely. Tell your Discord server. I know it's over now. Or is it? Let me just check if he's back. Is he back? He's back. Oh my God. He's back with this shit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we need a moderator. We need a moderator. We really do. Okay. I will sort it out. I promise. Someone's been vegan Dia has been vegan for 4 years now. That's amazing. I didn't know. That's awesome. Can I join the voice chat? Not at the moment because I'm doing this live thing. The Discord has been overtaken. Oh my God, I need to make someone a mod. I really do. And I really don't know how. Click on the arrow next to server name. Click on arrow next to server name. Click on server settings. and then what, and then moderation. Okay, must be registered on Discord. No, what do I do next? Sorry, I got lost. Why I got lost? One second. Trying to figure this out. Make a new role. And then what? Take band members. And right click. Okay, I should be able to do it. Okay, so click on the arrow. Oh, wow, I'm such a noob. Oh my god. Click on the arrow. Settings. Private settings? No, what settings? Sorry. Okay, you know what? I think it's time to close this party here, and I will attend to Discord properly, and we can talk there, So if you have any questions, let's just talk there. I mean, it's been already an hour and 40 minutes, so it's been a long, long live, and I think it's time to wrap up. So thank you so much for joining, everyone. It's been really amazing. I mean, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining Discord. Thank you for flagging, Jesse. We need more moderation there. Yeah, I didn't know we're gonna have those problems. I've never created my own server, but I'm learning. We'll get there together. And yeah, I'll see you on Discord. Thank you so much, guys. There are 10,000 people on this channel now, and you're one of them. And we are creating a great community. So thank you for that. And yeah, let's stay together. And I'll see you on Discord. Bye.